Hello all, welcome to the day 8 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. Metallic silos are used by farmers for storing grains. Farmer Girdhar has decided to build a new metallic silo to store his harvested grains. It is in the shape of a cylinder mounted by a cone. Dimensions of the conical part and the dimensions of the cylindrical part is given. On the basis of the above information, answer the following questions. This is the cylindrical part of the silo. The radius of the cylinder is 1.5 meter and the height h is 7 meter. The radius of the conical part is the same as the cylinder and the height of the cone is, let's denote it by capital H, which is 2 meter. Question 1. Calculate the slant height of the conical part of the silo. The slant height of the conical part L is equal to square root of h square plus r square, that is 2 square plus 1.5 square, which gives us 6.25, that is 2.5 meter. Question 2. Find the curved surface area of the conical part of one silo. So CSA of conical part is pi r L. Pi can be taken as 3.14 into r is 1.5 into L is 2.5. On multiplying we get 11.78 meter square. Question 3. Find the cost of metal sheet used to make the curved cylindrical part of one silo at the rate of 2000 per meter square. For this, let's calculate the CSA of the cylindrical part. The formula is 2 pi r h. 2 into 22 by 7, r is 1.5 and h is 7. For pi, I have chosen 22 by 7 this time because there is a scope of reducing it here. So we get 66 meter square. For 1 meter square, cost is rupees 2000. For 66 meter square, cost is rupees 2000 times 66, which is 1,32,000. Question 4. Find the total capacity of one silo to store grains. Total capacity of one silo is volume of the conical part plus volume of the cylindrical part, which is 1 by 3 pi r square h plus pi r square small h. Taking pi and r square common, we are left with h by 3 plus h. Pi times 1.5 square into 2 by 3 plus 7, which is 3.14 into 1.5 square into 23 by 3. On calculating this, we get 54.19 meter cube. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.